Hey traders! Today we're looking at the Adaptive Pulse Auto strategy for NinjaTrader. This automated strategy adapts to market volatility and adjusts its trading approach. What is Adaptive Pulse Auto strategy? The strategy monitors volatility using ATR. When volatility spikes, it trades with momentum. When volatility calms, it can take countertrend positions. It adapts to changing market conditions. First, general parameters. Backtest mode lets you run the strategy only on historical data. Enable it for backtesting, disable for live trading. Debug mode adds detailed logging to help troubleshoot. Quantity sets how many contracts or shares to trade per order. Stop loss ratio sets the stop loss as a multiple of ATR. Higher values widen the stop, lower values tighten it. Profit target ratio sets the profit target as a multiple of ATR. Higher values target larger moves. Lower values take profit sooner. ATR smooth applies a moving average to ATR to smooth readings. ATR period sets the look-back period for ATR. Longer periods smooth volatility. Shorter periods react faster. ATR threshold defines the multiplier for a volatility surge. When current ATR exceeds the smooth ATR by this threshold, the strategy treats it as high volatility. ATR calm defines the multiplier for calm conditions. When current ATR is below the smooth ATR by this amount, the strategy treats it as low volatility. EMA period sets the period for the EMA used to determine market direction. Bollinger period sets the period for Bollinger Bands. Bollinger standard deviation sets the width of the bands. Higher values widen the bands. Lower values tighten them. ROI parameters. ROI exits let you take profits based on percentage returns in time and trade. Use ROI enables or disables ROI-based exits. You can configure up to 3 ROI levels. Each level has an enable toggle A period bars since entry. A ROI value percentage. ROI 1, period 1, and ROI value 1 define the first level. If enabled, the strategy exits when the target ROI is reached within period 1 bars. ROI 2, period 2, and ROI value 2 define the second level. If enabled, the strategy exits when the target ROI is reached between period 1 and period 2 bars. ROI 3, period 3, and ROI value 3 define the third level. If enabled, the strategy exits based on these parameters after period 3 bars. Money management. Daily profit sets a daily profit target. Once reached, the strategy stops trading for the day. Daily drawdown sets a daily loss limit. Once reached, the strategy stops trading for the day to protect capital. Day of week. Enable or disable trading for each day: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Check the days you want to trade. If all days are disabled, the strategy will trade without any restrictions on days. Trading time. You can set up to 3 trading sessions per day. Enable session 1 times, session 1 start time, and session 1 end time define the first session. Enable it and set start and end times. Enable session 2 times, session 2 start time, and session 2 end time define the second session. Enable session 3 times, session 3 start time, and session 3 end time define the third session. Enable exit on session close lets you exit positions before the session ends. Set session close time and exit on session close minutes. The strategy exits positions within that many minutes before the close time. If all trading session clocks are turned off, the auto strategy will trade without time restrictions. How the strategy works. Entry signals. The strategy identifies long and short opportunities based on volatility conditions and market direction. It enters when conditions align with your settings. Position management. After entry, it sets a stop loss and profit target based on ATR ratios. These are displayed on the chart as red and blue dashed lines. Exit conditions. The strategy can exit for several reasons: stop loss hit, profit target hit, ROI level reached, if enabled, session close, if enabled, return to average volatility, daily profit or drawdown limits reached. The strategy uses the adopt account position behavior and can restore positions after a connection loss. You just need to reactivate it. Important notes. To send orders in real time, you need to turn off backtesting mode, which skips historical trades and switches to real time. The Adaptive Pulse Auto strategy is available in Essential, Professional, and Elite packages with a 7-day free trial. Check the description for links and details. That's the Adaptive Pulse Auto strategy. It adapts to volatility and offers flexible risk management. If you have questions, leave them below. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.